All right, friends, now that we've practiced our doubles wrap, I know all these doubles math facts are fresh in your mind. What I'd like you to do is play this game. Pick another family member, a friend, or maybe a couple of you. And what you're going to do is you're going to start right down here and find something to use as a marker. Maybe it's some markers from a different game that you have in your house, or you can use linking cubes or pennies or something, anything really. Put your markers here, however many of you are playing, and then roll your die. Whatever number you get, you're going to move that many spaces. If you land on a space of the ladder, then guess what? You get to skip all the other spaces and go right up to the top of the ladder, and that's your new spot. And as you can see, there's little numbers in some of these boxes. That's the order you're going to go in. So you go like this all the way to the end. But again, if you land on a spot where you're at the bottom of the ladder, you get to skip all the other spaces and go straight up here. Now, if you land on a spot with a slide, then guess what? You have to go down the slide and go backwards. Each time you land on a square, you have to tell whoever you're playing with, the answer to the doubles fact. If you get it right, then you get to stay in that spot. If you get it wrong, then you have to move back to the spot you just were on. The first person to the end wins. I hope you have lots of fun playing slides and ladders. On the back side of your slides and ladders game is a worksheet that looks like this, and it's loaded with lots of math facts. This is your homework. So please go through and say each of the math facts and then write the answer below. Good luck. Hey guys, if you could pull out one of the worksheets that looks like this, there should be 5, one for each day. It doesn't really matter what order you do them in, but if you could just have your child work on one each day, that would be great. And what we're doing with them in class is timing the kids. We're trying to make sure that they can get these done in a certain amount of time. So if you could, and I know it's a little hard in the beginning, and it is for the kids in class as well, we set the timer for 3 minutes, and then we ask them to try and get all the problems done. So if you want to go through the doubles wrap a few times before you have them do this, and sometimes, the kids can get a little upset if they don't get them done, but it's just helping them learn the pace at which they should be able to learn these and how important it is to work on their math facts at home so that they're memorizing them, because this year we're going to be flooded with math facts. So the quicker they can learn these and memorize these and be able to recall the answer, the better. And that's what this exercise is for. So if you could have them sit down after you practice a few times and review, set the timer for 3 minutes, and then see how many of these they can get done. And they might not get all of them done the first time, and that's okay. Hopefully each day they're progressing and getting a little faster, and eventually they will be able to definitely get them done in 3 minutes. So that's the exercise here. And again, if you could just do one of these each day in any order you'd like, that would be wonderful.